different?
I think it was just like a normal stock leggy, which I was trying to spin because of the conditions. It was a bit of grass, slightly wet. The ball tends to skid on. Like I said, I just balled it a bit slower, hit a good length, and it skidded on and hit the stumps. But these conditions were definitely a lot different to what we're going to get in the Caribbean or elsewhere. Because, like I said, it rained, a lot of grass, the ball was skidding on. So it was just for myself, was trying to adjust to that.
Sonia, please. Thank you. And then we'll take three here at the front. Start with you, sir.
Hi, I just wanted to ask about how you see your role sort of developing as we know.
To have a really good crack at it in the Caribbean.
Yeah, definitely. We feel confident. We're positive. Hopefully, like I say, it's different conditions as well. But obviously, when you play a tournament as well, different pressures as well. But we're in a good place. So hopefully, we go out there and stick to our guns, stick to the positivity we have, and hopefully, we can go a long way.
Mark, go ahead, please.
Adel, how Jofra and Woody looking, even compared to that?
Yeah, but I think that was different then because there's a bit going on in terms of it wasn't as clear. But definitely now everybody knows there's a lot of clarity in terms of players, individuals, the squad, what we're looking to do, what we want to do. And we've all got that common goal of what we're trying to achieve. Everybody's on the same page, and it's just about us guys going out there and hopefully doing the job.
George and then Sonia, please.
Hi Rash, Wabald. Talk us through the...
Playing Caribbean, World Cup, or any game, my role is exactly the same. Going there, trying to create chances, ball my variations, trying to assess the pitch conditions and try and make things happen. That's my ultimate role in the team. So if you go into the Caribbean, that's the same mindset I will go with. I don't change anything. We're playing tomorrow against somebody else, different ground, have the same mindset continuous. And then it's just about adapting to the conditions.
One here, one there, and then we'll take one on this side.
I think first to have some your attention to the spin bowling. You have bowled very well today in overcast conditions than the.
I think everybody's balls differently. Look at Shadab, Rashid Khan. All the spinners around the world got their own way of bowling, and they're all successful at doing their own thing. There's not one way of you've got to bowl a certain way. I bowl completely different to Shadab and Rashid Khan, but they're as successful as any of us. So I don't think it's more that. It's just conditions, confidence. When you get 1-2 wickets, you start getting more confident. Rhythm, all that plays in it. But I don't think it's anything to do with, he should copy me or I should copy him or I should bowl like that. Everybody's got their own way of bowling. It's just about, like you say, having a bit of, luck in that sense as well.
Thank you. How important this win was for you, especially this match and series win? And did you make any kind of...
Operations is the same whether we play against, like I said before, whichever bowling attack, whichever batting is, we go into every series, making sure that we're fully ready in terms of practice, getting our game plans in place. And then it's just about us guys going out there and just trying to execute that, regardless of who it is. But we're confident if we have the mindset that we can beat any side in the world.
Cup and you are the defending champion as well. Can you explain that thing? Thank you.
I think that's cricket. You're not going to win every World Cup. You're not going to win every series. The best in the world in other sports as well. They perform one year, next year they don't win the World Cup or whatever it is. So we don't look too much into it. You try to go out there and win every game you can, but sometimes it's not possible because it's just sport. But we'll definitely go into this series having a different mindset, making sure that we're positive, sticking to our ways of playing, sticking together as a unit as well, and then let everything just flow naturally. That's the ultimate aim.
Okay, done.